All right, we had some issues with the video camera, so I'm coming back to go through this with you. On here, as I stated before, you're going to have the bolt, the second bolt for this. So I'm going to take this off real quick, and hopefully before we run out of batteries or anything else, I'm able to get this good shot for you. Sun's come out. Get my arm out of the way. Bracket comes out. Your battery, that wasn't supposed to happen. Snap it back in there. Now, these push pins, they come out. Set it aside. Get a flat screwdriver. With a flat screwdriver, you're just going to get the corners of your cap. That's as simple as it comes off. You'll get 10mm. Fix the camera real quick. 13 and 13. But before we get that, we want to get rid of that negative cable. Set that aside. Now, before you proceed, make a black mark with a pen on your cable here, so you know which cable goes where. Get your positive cable out, same way as the negative. Set it aside. I'll get to it in a second. These pins, there's a small one or a large one. You can't get them confused. You can push down here and slide it out, or with the little tab. Push it aside, tab, push it aside, get your cables out of the way. Unloosen each one, put your nut back in place. So it's easy to find, not going crazy looking for what happened. We all have ways of losing these things. Same thing with these. These actually are labeled. This one is a 2 and a 3. Set it aside. Put the nut back in. Now these come out. You're going to see these holes here. There's 3 of them. Just get your screwdriver in there. Slide it down. It'll loosen your tab. And there's your battery. Okay, we've already replaced the coolant. Unfortunately, I wanted to videotape this for you because unfortunately the camera ran out of batteries and I wanted to produce a video. So when you're putting it back, it's the reverse order. Set it in your battery. Make sure the cables are out of it, and it'll lock in. 2, you know, is your first one. Set it in place. 3 is your next one. Set it in its place. I'm going to go for my black mark where my black mark is, and there was this one up front. Set in its place. Next one over. Set it in its place. Come back with the .13mm. You're going to need 13mm. That's fine. I know I need 13. I'll come back with a 10. Make sure my tab is tight. Next one is my positive cable. Positive is going. Make sure it's tight. Next cable up is my ground. Make sure it's seated in there right.